Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. Today we're diving into something that's been making serious waves in the stock world for quite some time. Motley Fool Rule Breakers. If you're ready to catch the next big market disruptor, this is one you won't want to miss. Now, if you're like me and constantly on the hunt for that next big opportunity, or maybe you're just curious about high-growth companies with the potential to shake up entire industries, then you're definitely in the right place. Rule Breakers isn't just another scorecard under the epic service by the Motley Fool. It's designed for those of us who want to get in early on disruptive companies and ride those waves to what could be some serious returns. Trust me, I think this one's worth looking into. All right, before we dive into the specifics, I've got to mention this. Rule Breakers isn't available as a standalone product anymore. I know, bummer, right? But don't worry, because it's now part of the Motley Fool epic. And honestly, that might even be better. You're not just getting access to rule breakers, you're getting an entire suite of Motley Fool's investment scorecards bundled together. So, if you're thinking about signing up, just know that the links we'll include in the description will direct you to the Motley Fool Epic, not Rule Breakers on its own. Now, let's talk about what Rule Breakers really offers. This isn't your run-of-the-mill stock-picking scorecard. What I love about Rule Breakers is that it focuses on technology-driven companies with innovations that have the potential to change industries completely. We're talking about companies that aren't just playing the game, they're changing it. That could mean investing in sectors like AI, biotech, or clean energy, areas that are on the verge of massive growth. The idea? Get in early and hold on while these companies could do the heavy lifting over time. Honestly, the strategy Motley Fool lays out for rule breakers makes a lot of sense to me. They suggest spreading your investments across at least 25 companies. Why? Because not every stock is going to be a home run, and diversification helps balance out the risk. You know how it goes. Some will soar, some won't, but that's part of the game. Another key point, you've got to hold your stocks for at least 5 years. This scorecard isn't about day trading or quick flips, it's about finding long-term winners. And trust me, holding through market dips can be tough, but that's where the real growth happens. Plus, they recommend regularly investing new money to keep your portfolio growing. So, how did rule breakers even come about? Well, here's the fun part. The Motley Fool has a pretty cool origin story. It was founded way back in 1993 by Tom and David Gardner, two brothers who started out with a simple newsletter in a backyard shed in Alexandria, Virginia. And get this? They made a splash with an April Fool's joke in 1994, which actually ended up teaching a valuable lesson about investing. That's how they shot into the spotlight. And ever since, they've been on a mission to empower everyday investors like you and me. Rule Breakers is just one of their premium scorecards, along with others like Stock Advisor. What I really admire about the Motley Fool is how they've consistently stayed ahead of the curve. While most investment services are focused on what's happening right now or just playing it safe with blue-chip stocks, Rule Breakers was designed to identify the companies that will lead the markets in the future. It's about having the vision to spot tomorrow's market leaders before they become household names. And that long-term thinking, it's been a game changer for them. That's what really sets Rule Breakers apart. They don't just rely on the same old financial metrics or play it safe with established companies. Instead, they dig deep into companies that are innovative and disruptive, firms that could completely reshape their industries. Honestly, that's what excites me most about Rule Breakers. It's not just about what's hot right now, it's about finding what might be hot tomorrow. All right, now that we've covered the backstory, let's jump into the features. This is where Rule Breakers really shines. It's designed for investors like us who want to get in on companies that are leading the way. Rule Breakers identifies those rare, high-growth companies that aren't just following trends, they're setting them. You'll get access to a hand-picked selection of companies that are primed for big things down the line. One thing I really appreciate is the regular stock recommendations. Every month, you get 2 new stock picks. And we're not talking about your standard blue-chip stocks here. These are companies that are poised to benefit from major industry shifts, whether it's technological advancements or changing consumer behavior. I love how it gives you a steady stream of fresh ideas to explore and invest in. And again, this is all about playing the long game, getting in early, and holding on for those big returns. And it doesn't stop at stock picks. Rule Breakers also offers a ton of valuable content to help you understand the reasoning behind each recommendation. From in-depth articles to expert-led live streams, you're getting the full picture on why these companies were chosen. Plus, the community of investors, it's a great space to share insights and learn from others who are just as passionate about investing as you are. But remember, Rule Breakers is now part of Motley Fool Epic. That means when you sign up, you're not just getting rule breakers, you're also getting access to Stock Advisor, Hidden Gems, and Dividend Investor. Let me quickly walk you through what each of these scorecards offers. First, there's Stock Advisor, the bread and butter of the Motley Fool. It's been around forever and has a killer track record. Stock Advisor focuses on big, foundational stocks that consistently beat the market. You'll also get 2 monthly picks here, along with a list of best buys now. Perfect if you're looking for a solid mix of stability and growth. Next up, Hidden Gems. This scorecard is all about finding those smaller, under-the-radar companies that have the potential to break out. If you love discovering opportunities early before everyone else, this is the scorecard for you. It's like finding diamonds in the rough. Then there's Dividend Investor. This one's perfect if you're all about earning steady, reliable income while still growing your investments. It focuses on companies that pay consistent dividends, which makes it ideal for anyone thinking about retirement or just wanting some solid passive income. Finally, with Motley Fool Epic, you also get access to Game Plan Plus and Portfolio Strategies. Game Plan Plus is basically your toolkit for crafting a winning investment strategy, while Portfolio Strategies gives you personalized guidance on how to allocate your investments based on your goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're conservative or more aggressive, this feature helps you build a portfolio that works for you. Now, let's talk pricing. Motley Fool Epic is usually $499 per year, but if you use the exclusive link we've dropped in the description, you can snag it for just $319 in your first year. That's a pretty sweet deal for everything you're getting. 4 top-tier stock-picking scorecards, plus all the extras. And here's the best part. There's a 30-day membership feedback guarantee, so you can try out the entire service, see what you think, and if it's not for you, no problem, you get your membership feedback. So what do I think about the Motley Fool Epic? Honestly, I think Motley Fool Epic is a no-brainer for any serious investor. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your strategy to the next level, this bundle gives you everything you need. It's not just about stock picks. It's about getting access to a whole ecosystem designed to help you grow as an investor. So go ahead, click the link in the description, grab that discount, and start making smarter investment moves today. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.